Good morning, toy boxers. Yet another day in the life of the maker and the Corkle boards. Orders need filled, orders outgoing, and of course, the Highland cow. I don't know why, of course, but of course. So we've got our no usable spot markers made, or I guess being made for our cue boards. Those go out with every order of cue boards. You can see that our AMS Light wall stands, wall mounts, they're coming along pretty good. And by the looks of it, yeah, they're gonna be done real soon. It's very nice. So, I don't know how many of you remember, but we had a brown square box type deal on there. And I told you later I would tell you what that is. Well, this is it right here. This is the very shitty print. This is our prototype. Working on it, putting it together. And you can see that there is some real bad prints here. We're going to get into the bottom of this later today. We're going to be changing out our bed on our first A1 Bamboo Labs. We call that one is affectionately dubbed Sing Sing. Anyways, back to the damn point. This is Noah's Ark. We're working on it. It is still in the prototyping phases. We'll have a nice roof on there and a little door to open. We'll have a whole bunch of animals for in that coming soon. That's something you're interested in. You can find us at Comic-Con, early March. Happy Valley Con, we'll be there, Lizzie's Toy Box. You can also request one of these to be made for you in Etsy, Facebook, or even just reach out to me here on YouTube. And I'm happy to make anything that you can think of. We got the turtle invasion going. Yeah, turtle power, y'all. Anyways, we're gonna go. Oh yeah, running low on petro. Need to refill that. That's the bottom line. Anyways, guys, boxers, lads, lasses, another quick video from Lizzie's Toy Box. Hope you liked it. Hope you loved it. I hope you found something that you like, or I found some way to inspire you to make, or do something. Make something with your hands. It really is fulfilling and worthwhile. And if I could spend the several hours it would take to tell you the horrible life story before I got here, and the meaning that I have found in simple 3D printing and a whole lot of wasted poop. Anyways, love you guys. Thanks for being here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Reach out to us anytime. Lizzie's Toy Box. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.